Hello guys. Welcome to this session of Mail Merge, a feature in word processing software such as Microsoft Word or Google Docs or LibreOffice Writer. Mail Merge. It allows one to create personalized documents such as letters, emails, envelopes, or labels for multiple recipients. It is a feature in word processing software, such as Microsoft Word or Google Docs or LibreOffice Writer. It automates the process of merging a template document with a data source, such as a spreadsheet or a database. It to generate individualized documents for each entry in the data source. One can create bulk communications while still customizing certain elements, like names or addresses, for each recipient. LibreOffice Writer Mail Merge. It is the free and open-source word processor component of the LibreOffice software package. It can be used to type letters, newsletters, reports, and other documents. It provides tools for editing, formatting, and printing of documents. Now, let's actually use and learn using Mail Merge feature in LibreOffice Writer. To use Mail Merge in Writer, select Option Mail Merge Wizard from Tools menu. A wizard is a series of dialog boxes with a series of questions. Based on answers of the questions, wizards serve its purpose. The first step is to select the document to be created. The second step is to select the type of document being merged: letters, emails. The third step is to create the user list to store and maintain the data of the recipients. Now create the data table, customize columns, and saved it. The data of the recipients are inserted in the database. Remove or delete the unwanted fields from the table. The data of the recipients are inserted into the table created. Now, save the recipient's data so as to use in future also. Select the format of the merge field to be inserted into the document. Click on Next button and finally on the Finish button to complete the mail merge operation. Here is the main document with the inserted fields from the database. Click on this icon to edit the merged documents. Here the recipient's copy of the letters obtained from mail merge. Let's conclude. Steps to use mail merge in LibreOffice Writer. Step 1. Prepare the data source. Step 2. Create the document in Writer. Step 3. Connect the data source. Step 4. Insert merge fields. Step 5. Preview the merge document. Step 6. Complete the mail merge. You can ask you queries related to using mail merge in LibreOffice Writer or even MS Word. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and help to work more for you. Also, you all are requested to like and share the video and also subscribe to my channel. You are welcome with queries and comments. Thank you again so much.